Here we have a Volkswagen Up, high up, 1 litre, 75 PS. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include power assisted speed sensitive steering, hill hold control, hydraulic brake assist and an anti-lock braking system. It also comes with 15-inch radial alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes DAB digital radio, a composition media system and a smartphone interface navigation system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newry.